Did you know that as we speak, over 1.5 billion people around the world are learning English? That's about one in every five individuals on our planet. English, with its rich vocabulary and complex grammar, has become the global lingua franca. Now, mastering English might seem like a daunting task, but fear not. For today, we will search out practical tips and tricks which will help you navigate this journey with ease. The first thing I want to suggest is that you immerse yourself in the English language. Surround yourself with English through books, music, films, and podcasts. This strategy, often called language immersion, allows you to pick up the rhythm, tones, and intonations of English. Now, I want you to always remember, practice doesn't necessarily make perfect, but it does make better. Speak English every day, even if it's just you talking to yourself. Talk about your day, talk about your plans, talk about your dreams. It's important to always remember, practice doesn't necessarily make perfect, but it does make better. Speak English every day, even if it's just to yourself. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your dreams. This daily exercise will not only boost your fluency, but also your confidence. Now, when we think about expanding your vocabulary, try to learn a new word every day. Use it in sentences. Write it down. Say the vocabulary words out loud. Make it a fun daily challenge. You can also use technology. There are numerous apps and websites that offer interactive English learning experiences, from vocabulary building to pronunciation practice. These tools can make your learning journey interactive and enjoyable. If you're thinking, this sounds great, where do I start? It does sound great. And the answer is simple. Start right now. Start right here. Just pick up a book that you've been meaning to read, or a book you would like to read. Or you can try to describe your surroundings in English. Walk into your kitchen and describe the things that you see. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, as you embark on this journey today, right now, you might stumble, you might falter, but I encourage you to don't give up. Persistence is key. With time and practice, you will see progress. You will find yourself understanding more, speaking better, and feeling more confident. In this vast world of over 7.5 billion people, English connects us all. It's more than just a language. It's a tool, a bridge that brings us closer. So don't shy away from it. Embrace it, learn it, master it, because the world is waiting to hear your voice. Finally, in the journey of mastering English, remember, you're not alone. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. And the only impossible journey is the one you never began. So start today. Start speaking, start listening, start reading, start writing, and definitely start practicing. Because the English language is not a mountain to be conquered, but a road to be traveled. Until next time. keep going, and keep going.